children, good morning. How are you? All of you had your breakfast? Grant milk? Yeah, very good children. Let us start our today's class. Before starting the class, we'll update the calendar. Look at the board. What is today's date? 20, 10, 20. So 20th October. Today date is 20th October. If today is 20 October, what will be tomorrow's date? 20 after? 21. Yesterday's date 20 before 19. Yesterday was 19th October, today is 20th October and tomorrow will be 21st October. What day is today? Tuesday. What day is today? Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, what will be tomorrow? Tuesday after? Wednesday. Tuesday after? Wednesday. Tuesday before? Monday. Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's revise days of the week and months of the year. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Shall we revise the rhymes once? Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. The dish ran away with the spoon. Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Cobbler, cobbler. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe, get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Okay, now head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Practice this rhyme. Okay, phonics. Are you ready with the phonics? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. H, I, E, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Now, let us start our today's topic, English. In the previous classes, we learned about this and that. This and that. When we use this ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాం? When one thing which is near to us, only one thing గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు, అది మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉన్న thing గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు this యూజ్ చేస్తాం. When we use that, when one thing which is far from us, మనకి దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువు గురించి, when we are speaking about the thing which is far from us, we use that. మనకి దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువు గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు that. We are talking only about one thing, ఒక thing గురించి మాట్లాడాం. Now we know how to use these and those. These and those. These. So we'll use these when we are speaking about many things. This అనేది singular form and these అనేది plural form. Okay? One form and many form. One and many forms నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. One form is this and many form is these. అంటే these is used when we speak about so many things which are near to us. మనకి దగ్గరగా ఉండి ఎక్కువ వస్తువుల గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు these యూస్ చేస్తాం. Those, that is singular and those is plural. That is singular and those is plural. That ante only one thing which is far from us. When we are speaking about only one thing, oka vastuvu gurinchi maniki dooranga unna vastuvu gurinchi maatladedappudu that. Those, when we are speaking about many things, ekko vastuvula gurinchi maatladedappudu that too that is far from us, maniki dooranga unna vastuvu gurinchi maatladedappudu those. So we'll use these for things which is near for us and we'll use those which are things far from us. దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వస్తువులు ఎక్కువ వాటికి these యూస్ చేస్తాం. దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువులు ఎక్కువ వాటికి those యూస్ చేస్తాం. See in the text book. Course book page number 17. Use of these. See. These are pencils. These are pencils. These are bugs. These are bugs. These are fishes. These are fishes. These are balls. These are balls. These are books. These are books. Now use of those. So which are far from us. Those are chairs. Those are benches in the same way. Those are books. Those are flowers. Those are bags. Those are kites. Okay. So this is one form and this is many forms. Singular, plural. That is singular form and those is plural form. So practice this one and today's HW. Practice book HW. Practice book. Page number 16 and 17. Read and write, okay? Read and write. These are books. These are boats. These are dogs. These are kites. These are logs. Here those. Those are oranges. Those are owls. Those are balls. Those are frogs. Those are pencils. And activity book complete page number 6. See here. Complete the sentences using these and those. So when the picture is near you should write these. When the picture is far you should write those. Activity book page number 6. Activity book page number 6. Okay. Shall we revise 31 to 40 number leaves once? All of you are practicing. So HW I write here. Note down the HW. Practice book. Page 16 and 17. Activity book. Page number 8. Sorry, page number 6. So we'll revise the number names 10 to 100. Okay? 10 to 100. Only 10 place numbers. TEN 10. TEN 10. TWENTY 20. THIRTY 30. FORTY H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay. Read and write this on slate 2 times. T-E-N, 10. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay, children? Read and write these number names also 2 times on slate. That's all for today. Bye, children. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye.